बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। Today our topic is general methods of preparation of alkenes. There are two methods of preparation of alkenes. First method is dehydration of alcohols and the second method is dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halides. Hydration of alcohols mean loss of water molecules or alcohol dehydrates. It is an elimination reaction because in this reaction loss of water molecule takes place. Ethanol is an alcohol and when it reacts with heated alumina it will be converted into ethylene. The condition for this reaction is heated alumina and 340 to 450 degrees centigrade temperature and high pressure. In this reaction, hydrogen will remove from the first carbon atom and OH molecule will remove from the adjacent carbon atom. In this way, it will form double bond and we will receive an alkene or ethylene. Water molecule will also produce. The second method is dehydrohalogenation of alkyl halides. It is also an elimination reaction because in this reaction loss of hydrogen halide takes place. In this reaction, when ethyl chloride will react with alcoholic potassium chloride, it will be converted into ethylene. The condition for this reaction is alcoholic potassium chloride and hydrogen will remove from the first carbon atom and chlorine which is halogen will remove from the adjacent carbon atom. In this way, it will form double bond and an alkene which is ethylene. Potassium chloride will also produce with water molecule. Thank you.